To order online at Costco, start by going to the Costco website and signing into your account. If you don't have an account, create one. Once signed in, you can browse through various options or use the search function to find a specific product. For example, if you're looking for earphones, you can search for that and select the product you want to order. Click Add to Cart and you'll see product details, specifications, manuals, and guides below. A pop-up will appear, giving you the option to continue shopping or view your cart. If you choose to view your cart, you'll see all the products you've added, and you can save items for later or remove them. When you're ready to proceed, you'll have shipping options, including standard shipping, express shipping, or warehouse pickup. Select your preferred shipping method and choose a warehouse if necessary. Then, click Checkout and ensure your shipping address is correct. If it's not, you can edit it. Next, provide your payment method by entering your credit or debit card number, expiration date, CVV code, and cardholder name. You'll also need to provide a billing address. But if it's the same as your shipping address, you can select that option. After providing the necessary information, click Continue to Shipping Options and follow the prompts to complete your order. The process is straightforward, requiring only the necessary information to proceed. Overall, shopping online at Costco is easy and convenient, as long as you provide the required information.